Hi, my name is Akshay Vasan Jadhav, SYMMS students, and this subject is training and development. Today, my presentation topic is management development. Meaning of management development. It is an educational process of utilizing a systematic and organized procedure by which managerial personnel learn conceptual and theoretical knowledge for general purpose. It is mainly designed to induce behavioral changes in individuals by cultivating the internet qualities that through the understanding and use of knowledge lights and skill as they are needed for effectiveness. Nature of management development, organized process of learning, a long-term process, ongoing exercise rather than one-shot affair, aims at preparing managers for better performance. It is nothing but guide self-development. Objectives of management development, to bring current performance for the managerial personnel of the highest attainable level, to ensure availability of qualified managerial manpower, to ensure managerial capability, to lead in encouraging and achieving self-development and self-confidence, to provide opportunity for manager to update their knowledge and skill. Importance of management development. Managerial development efforts are to be required due to rapid changes in technology, to understand the behavior people in changing socio-economic, cultural environment, to meet the needs of the customer, to understand the social responsibility of business, to have the harmony of peace in the organization. System techniques of management development, on the job training, of the job training, of the on the job training, coaching, understudying multiple management, committee management, of the job training, role playing, sensitivity training, conference training, program instruction, simulation techniques like business game in basket case study. On the job training, on the job coaching, in this method the immediate supervisor guides the subordinates about various ways the method skills to the job. He only acts as a guide, not as a teacher. Periodic feedback and evaluation are also part of the coaching. Advantages of it is provide reels and party practical job experience. It increases motivation of training. It leads minimization of problem, transferring learning from theory practice. Disadvantages: the man cannot develop beyond the limits of his own abilities. Understudy: in this case the executive is developed to perform the work of the till position of his supervisor. In understand only, key candidates is selected by department manager from his department manager then guides him to learn his job, grapple with the problems that confront a manager daily. Interval management method. In this method, the management makes a permanent advisory committee of executive manager. The advisory committee solves the problems of the organization and make the recommendation to the top management. In cases, the board of directors constitute a junior board to train the junior executives. Committee management. A committee is a group of executives appointed to investigate, take action, make recommendation regarding some matter relating to the organization. The committee studies the problem issues in accordance with the terms of the reference. Committee promotes a mutual standing and discussion of interest many individuals to arrive at a consensus of opinions. Of the job training. Of the job training courses allow employees to undertake training away from their place of work through day release, online or distance learning, as well as block release courses. Advantages: use specialist trainers who are skilled and knowledgeable. Opportunity for social networking with other trainees from other organizations. Individuals more likely to complete training because of no work pressure. Role playing. It may be described as a technique of creating a live situation, usually one involving conflict between people and having a person, a group to play the parts roles of specific personalities. Two or more trainers in a group given role to play. Conference training. A conference is a group meeting conducted in accordance to an organized plan in which participants seeks to develop knowledge and understanding by obtaining considerable amount of oral participation. The trainees the trainees learn to respect of viewpoint others and realize that there is no more than one workable approach. Program instruction. It is the application of the science learning to the task education and training. Key features. Training are learned to and their own piece. Instructor are not key part of the learning. The material to be learned is broken down to into a very small units or stages. It includes elaborate teaching machines, films and sound and tapes, program, books, illustration, material, etc. Simulation techniques. The basic idea is to create construct a simulation situation which is closely represent the actual one. In order to conduct a trial or test run, it is conducted a controlled environment. Business games are classroom simulation exercise which designed to be representative of the real life condition. The participants of business games learn by analyzing the problem and making the trial and error decision, and participants are given another chance to in these games. The feedback is very important in basket training. The participant is given all the material in basket which help to solve the problems. The participants is also given to the all information and materials required such as the reports, mail, etc. The participants is the They must to play the role of manager who is responsible for the solving of problems. The participant by using experience take the appropriate decision. Case study method. It was developed by the Christopher C. Landgell. In this method, the fact of the case that needs to be solved has already occurred in the organization that are given for analysis and decision making to a group of participants. The group of studies that problem analyzes, find alternatives, and give suggestions. Case studies are commonly used in teaching law, HRM, and marketing management by the management of educational institutions. Ego states. The three activities they are called ego states. One defined ego as a consistent pattern of the feeling experience is directly related to the corresponding and consistent pattern of behavior. The parent ego state providing guidelines, impulses, attitudes, and activity provide guidelines, regulation, and discipline for others. The adult ego is our dispassionate and objective side. It facts is information and analysis to reach the best decision. The child ego state reflects the natural impulses, attitudes, and activities that are learned from childhood experience. The ego state can range from listening and responding to hostility. Thank you.